Wait, are you slow? Oh, that's what happened to me. Wow, thanks, man.
I was talking on voice chat, but because I saw my mic is bad on this video, I decided not to speak while recording.
I know it's actually so annoying. Why can't you do this? I know.
Who? Ah, why's you right above me? Trolling again.
Okay, so all this time that I'm speeding up, there were constantly annoying loud sounds like the ones you just heard. I know listening to them for 2 minutes straight isn't something cool, so that's a quick voiceover. I want to quickly thank you guys for already more than 350 subscribers. I really didn't think I'll make it this far for such little time, and I'm hoping to achieve 500 before July ends. When we get enough subscribers, I'll make a Q&A video, so drop your questions down below and get a shout out.
Let's all leave and join another server. Let's all chase him. Oh my god. Okay. It's already open. What's going on? Oh, poopy sloopy. Actually, no one likes you. No one likes you.
Okay, so after this round ended, they kept spamming GG, crouching, and getting into our girl for conversation. While we were in the lobby, one of the girls had to go as well, so the three of us left at the same time. You might ask, why hasn't the video finished yet? While editing this video, I joined a random Flee the Facility server and ran into this. I genuinely have no words because this is the second time for less than 24 hours where I run into such sights. If anyone from the Fleet facility community is watching, please take care of this. Anyways, that was all for today. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comments for the next Q&A video that will come out soon.